Finn Balor is ready. He is the challenger with his big opportunity here tonight. Wait a minute, who the hell are the Usos?
Where the hell did they come from?
Roman Reigns' bloodline, the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, ambushing Balor before the bell.
This is unfortunate for Finn Balor, but should almost be expected.
Well, Corey, we were just talking about the advantage that Balor may have, but Reigns and company have turned the tables.
Are you kidding me?
Balor with a couple of steel steps to the ribs and a third time.
He can't fight after this.
The Usos, in effect, may have just ruined our main event here tonight. I mean, Corey, you've got to admire Balor for even competing in this matchup tonight after the attack. Finn Balor knows he may never get another opportunity. It's taken him 5 years to get to this moment tonight.
It's absolutely admirable. It's gutsy. It's brave. Whether or not it's smart remains to be seen.
Well, he's in there with a man who's had one of the most dominant runs in the history of WWE. He's been Universal Champion for over a year. He has knocked out Hall of Fame caliber superstars during this run, and he wants to add Finn Balor to the list.
Roman Reigns just battering the challenger in the corner. I don't know if this was a smart decision by Finn Balor to continue this matchup.
Well, he may never. Oh, and Balor goes down low.
And this is what Finn's got to do. Stick and move. Stay out of the line of fire of Roman Reigns.
A low drop kick to the knee, and now kicks to the back of the leg of Roman Reigns. You take out the leg, you take out the power base of Roman.
Brilliant strategy by Balor.
Headbutt by Reigns.
The first ever Universal Champion and Intercontinental Champion. Finn Balor's got the accolades to back up the skills.
Yeah, but he's in there with a 5-time. Oh, sling blade by Balor.
And again, maybe after the Usos attack, Roman still could
Oh, maybe not.
Reigns is pounding out his challenger.
Oh my goodness, I thought Balor just won the Universal Championship.
I think everybody did.
And now Reigns with a guillotine, trying to lock it in on Balor. Finn Balor trying to fight out. Balor trying to make it to the ropes. Trying to get his feet there, trying to get his hands there.
Finn is almost there, but I don't care
Balor's
how tough you are, no one can last this long.
Finn Balor's fading.
I think Finn's out.
Balor's out. Roman Reigns retains the title.
Here is your winner, and still the Universal Champion, Roman Reigns!